Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. So in today's video I share with you a very simple way to achieve very nice chicken wings, guys. So just in case you are new here, my name is Charity and you are watching Queen Intim Cooking and Vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, so guys, here I have my chicken all washed with vinegar and hot water. You can as well use cold water and some salt. Okay, so here I just want to introduce to you the spices that I'm going to use. So I have ginger garlic, I have onion powder, I have paprika powder, ginger powder, black pepper, and also chicken seasoning. Okay, please remember, seasoning is always of your choice, so use whatever you have in your kitchen, and you have to also remember that the food belongs to you, so play with it. All right guys, so here I'm going to mix it. I have to make sure the spices coated very well and let it rest. So after that, I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes so that the spices can penetrate the chicken very well. Okay guys, no need to rush when you are making your chicken because chicken needs some time. All right, okay guys, so moving forward, I am also going to make some butter, the butter that I'm going to use to prepare the chicken. That is going to give it a very crispy chicken. Okay, so I have milk, I have my eggs, and I'm also going to add in some flour, guys. Even this, you can add it straight, or you can even add a little bit of milk or water, not too much like this. If you watch my previous chicken recipe, you will choose which way you want to make yours, guys. All right, so I'm going to pour the butter that I prepared into the chicken and let it rest. Okay, you can also fry the chicken straight away like this with a touch of dry flour, but I just want you have that KFC style vibe. That is why I'm doing it like this. So now I'm going to set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes more. All right, so moving forward, I have my pan here and I'm going in with some flour. This is just plain flour, guys, and I'm also going to add some spices in it. Yes, if you add spices in it, it's going to be a very tasty. The skin, when after you fry the chicken, the coating, it's going to be crunchy or crispy, and inside is going to protect the chicken, so inside is going to be juicy as well, and you are going to enjoy outside and inside at the same time. So as you can see on the screen, I added paprika, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, just like the way I prepared the chicken previously. So this is what I need, and I'm going to go ahead and fry the chicken. All right guys, so the oil is already on fire, and I'm going to infuse it with a little bit of garlic. Whilst that is going on, let me take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing into my channel. You guys are truly amazing. And also my returnees, I thank you so much, guys. Thank you for coming back. And please don't forget to share the video, click the bell notification button, and also like and give me your comments. Okay, Thank you all so much. All right, guys, so the chicken is in there already, as you can see, from the butter to the flour and back to the butter again, then inside the oil. So that is how it's going to be. See how it's coated so well. Okay, so after putting it in the flour, before putting it inside the oil, you have to make sure you take some excess flour out, otherwise your oil is going to be foaming and your chicken is not going to be as crispy as it should be. So you have to always take the excess flour out before you add it into the oil. All right, guys, look how pretty the chicken looks. They look so amazing. Look, yes, as soon as you see that the chicken is floating on top of the oil, know that it's perfect, because the chicken have to be lightweight. It shouldn't be heavy. When your chicken is heavy, it's going to sit inside the oil, or at the bottom of the oil. I don't know how to say it. Yes, it's not going to be float on top. So as soon as you see that it has float on top of your oil, or of the oil, then you should know that yes, you coated it so well. Yes, that is the reason why you should add baking powder. Very necessary, and that's the secret, guys. I'll list all the ingredients under the video description box, so please do check it out. Okay, there are some secrets that chefs and bakers or whatever the restaurants, they are not going to share with you, okay, except we YouTubers that we are doing food content. We are going to give you the secret. So the secret to achieve KFC style chicken, you need to always add baking powder. Please, not baking soda, baking powder. Add a little. I don't know how much chicken you are going to prepare, but you always have to measure the quantity of flour that you are using. So you should add baking powder. Please add baking powder or self-rising flour. Simple. All right, guys, so the chicken is ready. They look so beautiful. Just look at this. Yes, it's so crispy outside and juicy inside. Okay, that's the reason why you should add a bit of baking powder, otherwise you are still going to see blood inside your chicken. Thank you all so much for watching till now, and may God bless you so much. Bye bye.